Greetings, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this ListGrow review. What ListGrow is basically a done-for-you lead generation, funnel builder, and software bundle. So you're going to be able to create really cool looking landing pages and email capture forms, as well as automatically generate content for social media that is going to drive traffic to those landing pages. So today we're going to take a deep dive into ListGrow, check out a demo, as well as some really cool bonuses that I've gotten for you that are going to supplement ListGrow really well. Before we get into all that though, it'd really help me out if you just dropped a quick like on this video, and if you want more videos like this and more updates to new software that are going to help you make money online, hit subscribe and turn on the bell notification. So just quickly also, if you want to check out ListGrow, the sales page or the bonus page at any time during this video, you simply have to click the link in the description. That will take you off to my bonus page, which looks like this. You have the legal terms and my contact details up there if you have any problems. And my bonus page, the way it works is it is integrated with the ListGrow vendor sales page. So if you click on any of these green buttons, what that will essentially do is lock in your bonuses. So when you do purchase ListGrow, you'll receive all of those bonuses with ListGrow together in one big bundle. Now, when I offer bonuses, I always look at the product that I'm reviewing and I see what it does and what it doesn't do. And I try to plug in those holes. So if you do purchase through my link, you're just getting more of an exclusive bundle. So you're leaving no stone left unturned. There's nothing worse than spending money on a platform or some software and then you're thinking, oh, I wish it had this or I wish it had that. So my goal is to make it so that you don't think that you have everything you need to hit the ground running. Now really quickly, my first bonus is called Find Your Niche. And what that is going to do is, while you're creating these landing pages in ListGrow, or you have the tool ListGrow that is going to enable you to create really cool landing pages and squeeze pages really quickly, it's going to become very possible for you to dabble in different niches and throw out pages in different niches, right? Find Your Niche, this product is going to help you to identify what good niches are and niches that you're going to be wasting your time with, as well as how to basically attack that niche in the right way. Different mistakes people make when people choose their niche, how to do niche marketing so you maximize profits, picking a good niche and profitable niches, and just everything surrounding that initial step that you're going to take. Bonus number 2 is called 7-Figure Mastery, and I throw this bonus in because this is just a massive 32-part video course that teaches you how to essentially treat your presence online, your social media and everything as a business. How to make that transition from someone who's not just blogging or using social media as a personal tool, but how to really, make that transition into making money online with everything that you do. So some things that included are sales funnel basics, setting up an online business, affiliate marketing, high ticket offers, spying on your market, copywriting, how to do proper copywriting, how to choose best products, criteria you need to look for, promotion secrets, bonus techniques, optimizing AdWords, Facebook ads, solo ads, utilizing social media to drive traffic, SEO, just everything that you need. This is a massive product and it's really just going to help you out in really every area. Bonus number 3 is called Evergreen Leads, and this is going to really help you to not only generate leads but manage your leads. So some things that this goes into is creating landing pages that are effective. That's going to help you get the most out of ListGrow, right? You need to know the fundamentals of creating a landing page before you go off and try and make them, so you're not wasting time. There's some really cool nuggets here on marketing copy as well, how to write a follow-up email series, how to follow up with prospects. There's stuff here on Facebook ads, organic traffic, It goes into Instagram and Reddit, as well as on-page and off-page SEO. So anything related to lead generation and lead capture, you're gonna find in this product. Bonus number 3 is a 2-part bonus, and I've got you fail-proof headlines and $1 million copy. I put these products together because they're just super important. You might have the best product and the best content, but good marketing wins over good quality. Good marketing wins over good everything. So no one's gonna click on your product, no one's gonna click on your content unless that headline is grabbing. And no one's gonna buy your product unless that language is taking into consideration cognitive biases, emotional triggers, things like that. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, these bonuses are really gonna open up your mind as far as how you're supposed to be communicating with your audience, especially when it comes to trying to get them to view what you want them to view, whether that is just content or a product. Bonus number 5 is called email marketing success. So let's imagine for a second that you have schooled yourself up with these bonuses on how to create an online business, how to capture people to your product or landing page or service, how to generate traffic from social media, and your squeeze pages and landing pages are working really well. Now you want to know how to manage that list. People say the money's made in the list. It's an absolute true fact. So email marketing success is going to help you to manage that list so that you can communicate with your list, your audience, on your terms, and just send more effective emails out to them that are gonna sell a lot better for you. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step 1, go through the link in the description. That will take you to the landing page. You click on these green buttons to lock in all of those bonuses, and then you'll be launched off to the ListGrow sales page, which looks like this. And from here, you're able to look at testimonials, functions, features, a little bit about the creators, just everything you need to know in order to make a more informed decision about whether ListGrow is right for you. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which will look like this because this is a JVZoo product. And it's really simple. Under this green button will be your ListGrow credentials and such. And under the blue button will be all my bonuses. So as I said, really easy. Everything is just sent off to you. A word of warning though is that these bonuses and any discount pricing that you get are only available through my link and only available during this sort of launch week. So keep your eye on this countdown timer because when it runs down, it will go up to normal pricing, ListGrow, and the bonuses will no longer be available. So keep your eye on that. It's taken me a long time to source these bonuses for you, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on them. So right now we're gonna get into a really cool demo that the creators of ListGrow have put together. It's really quick, so you're not hanging around on this video for too long and you can, go find out more on your own. So let's check it out. Let's see the power of ListGrow and what it can do. Alright, thanks for sticking around through that demo. I hope you're excited about what ListGrow can do for you. Really quickly before we close out the video, let's just go through the pricing. This is all available on my bonus page. So my bonuses you get access to no matter which item you purchase. So if you get the basic front end for $37, the bonuses are there, so just let you know that. So the front end is $37. Now, if you go through my link and you purchase in the first 5 days, you will get a discount. You will see the discount automatically appear on the vendor sales page, the ListGrow sales page. If you go through the link in my description and then my bonus page, that will be automatically on the page. So do take advantage of that. It is only available during the first couple of days of launch week. So with the front end, you're getting done for your lead magnets, 100 funnels, landing pages, thank you pages, free hosting, automation from social media, as you saw in the video, those automatic Facebook ads, super, super cool, and the Facebook ads creative, and email swipes for your ads. A lot of these tools here are just gonna sell your time back to you and just automate a lot of things that usually take a lot of time. An upsell, $47 a month or $197 a year, gives you Lead Club, which is 4 new lead magnets every month. So $52 a year. Done for your squeeze pages, just more pages, more templates, and you get pro features, opt-in links, and unlimited everything. So with the opt-in link feature, you can create links that capture the name and email address of those that click on it without a landing page or opt-in form. The next upsell is Hijacker, which is $67, then going up to $97. This allows you to discover trending viral content on the web and legally hijack them and add your opt-in. So that's really valuable if you are struggling for time to go on social media and to drive traffic from there. This is going to be a really good tool. The next bonus is 500 plus done for you email kit and copywriting app bonus. So this is going to give you even more high converting emails, and also, you know, really good copy, so that if you're new to copy, I'd recommend this because this is gonna give you, you know, all the copy that you need. The next upsell is Facebook Messenger Bot Builder. Allows you to create messenger bots. Messenger is a new tool people are using, and with new tools, the open rate is always really good, okay? So here, there's a 90% open rate and 4 to 10 times higher CTRs compared to email. That is, I can attest to that. Messenger is working really well for me and some things that I'm also working with. The final upsell is Affiliate Marketing Bootcamp, which is $97, going up to $197. And this is step-by-step training on how to turn your list into a virtual ATM machine by promoting other people's products for on-demand commissions. So if you're new to making money online and you want to spend a bit of money on training and upping your knowledge, you might be interested in this. So really a ton of value on offer here if you take into consideration all the bonuses you're getting and the launch week pricing. I do recommend you check it out. There is a money back guarantee. So do get in sooner rather than later if you do think that this is for you. Now, if you do have any further questions, comments, queries, worries, feel free to message me in the comments through my social media or my email, because I do reply to absolutely everybody and I do try and help out as much as I can. Otherwise, I hope you love ListGrow, I hope you love the bonuses, and I'll catch you again on the next video.